Friends, welcome to Money Mint channel. Let us discuss about today updates quickly. Before that, I would like to show this Excel sheet which I updated on from November month onwards and those stocks performance. Here I have given update on that date and price, and today date and price, and green color indicate positive and red color indicate which is down from my updated price. So let us discuss about other daily updates quickly. By looking markets, today also markets rallied 147 points in Nifty, and today almost all the indices closed positively, especially mid and small caps gained more than 1%. That is interesting part. Due to that, so many stocks today rallied more than 5%. Looking at Bank Nifty today also in sideways and due to weakness in banking stocks. As I today's daily I am telling about Bank Nifty showing weakness, so don't go in banking stocks because as it is still below 200-day moving average of 35,700. So stay away from banking Nifty and bank stocks. And today we are going to discuss about three stocks which given bumper breakouts. First stock is Ami Organics. Today it made 6.5% return, which is closed at 982 rupees. By looking fundamentals, Ami Organics trading at 3,500 market cap, and if you look at ROC and ROC, both are very good. ROC of 32% and ROE of 38%. And if we look at fundamentals, this is weekly chart. In weekly chart it gave breakout. This is weekly chart. If we look at daily chart, look at this. This is Ami Organics. After big candle, today it went in down and finally it broke out and closed above this. This chart is looking very good. Ami Organics will give decent returns in coming days. And another stock is Mphasis. From last week onwards, I am telling that IT stocks outperforming. I am expecting 2022 also outperforming. Look at daily chart of Mphasis. The stock made support at 2866, and the stock today it made broke out of trend line. Look at this candle. I am expecting the stock will perform from here. It will cross easily all-time high of 3,672. It will easily touch 4,000 in one. I am expecting in 1 to 1.5 months. Another stock is HCL Technologies. Already rally started in Tech Mahindra and Infosys. I am expecting rally in HCL Technologies. Now we are in daily candle chart pattern. Look at this. The stock closed above trend line and continuously making up every day, slowly but surely. But the stock also ready for rally. I am expecting the stock also, if it close above 1400, we can expect 1500 to 1550 in 1 to 1.5 month time. And today I am going to discuss about one multi-bagger opportunity. The stock name is D-Link India Limited. Friends, look at this chart. In D-Link India Limited, this stock closed above multi-year breakout. Look at this chart. This is 2017 and 2018. This is the level here. This is the level of 160 rupees. Recently this stock made we are in monthly charts. The stock made multiple attempts to close above this multi-year breakout of 150, and this month it finally broke and it closed above that, and daily it making big moves and volumes also making good. I am expecting this stock will be a multi-bagger in coming years. as this is a IT stock. Look at fundamentals. This stock is right now trading with 607 crore, which is 607 crore of market cap, which is very less. And market stock PE also very less, 15. ROC and ROE also decently, it's good. And there is no debt for this company. FI is holding little bit. I am expecting FIs are accumulating this stock. That's the reason this stock making daily up moves. And today I would like to tell about one long-term investment opportunity. The stock name is MapMyIndia, recently listed, which is called CE Info Systems Limited. Today this stock made all-time high of, and it closed at 1617, almost 12% up today. MapMyIndia will perform well in 2022. I am expecting 3000 to 3500 in 1 year. One can consider this stock for long-term investment. At least for 2022, I would like to invest in the stock. These all are the updates for today, friends. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and like. If you like my content, please like. Please don't mind. I don't know much graphics. Like other channels, I cannot include graphics. That is the reason. Please look at content and support my channel. Thanks for support. Thank you.